From Daily Forex, this is Chris Lewis. I'm looking at Bitcoin for the upcoming 4th, and you can see that we rallied again during the day, and that's a good sign. That's something that, the bullish, of course, are going to need to see. There's a couple things above that I'm watching, and this could signal a longer-term move. So we have the uptrend line, or the downtrend line, I should say, that we need to break above, and that would be your first technical bullish signal. It would be followed by a double pattern, or preceded by a double bottom. We also have the highs here at about 8,300 that we need to clear. So even if we break the downtrend line, although that would be reason number 2 to think that we're going to go higher, I believe at this point we need a higher high. That's more of a longer term signal. And then at that point, the downtrend may be coming to a close, at least for now. 10,000 would be targeted at that point, which I think obviously would be a big fight. That's a large round number. So what I'm looking at is a market that I think will be positive for a couple days at least, and then could very well roll over. If we pull back from here, I would expect 7,000 to offer support. If we break down below like 6,800, then I think we test the bottom again. So when I look at the longer term charts, this is an area that has obviously been very important, $6,000. This is a descending triangle that if it breaks to the downside, honestly shows this going to like a couple $100. That's the technical read on this, like $300. I don't know if that happens. It's hard to tell. It depends on a multitude of things. But right now, we don't really have a major catalyst to go higher, but we could get news to throw money into the market. For some reason, everybody wants an ETF. I believe that goes against the entire reason for Bitcoin, but Wall Street gets what it wants eventually, and then this becomes an asset like any other that you can trade on Wall Street. Which will cause an interesting division in the crypto world, I think. The true believers will be in the altcoins. But at this point, it looks like Bitcoin is having to make some type of serious decision, and I think it will relatively soon. We'll just have to see how this plays out. Right here needs to be defended by the sellers. If it doesn't get defended, then we could go 10,000 and then almost 12,000. Otherwise, we'll go back down to 6. And I've said for a while, if we can break 6 by a couple $100, look out below.